How to use the Facebook Messenger without Messenger app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Facebook Messenger without Messenger app. So to do that, you must need to send messages. If you want to send messages to someone but you don't want to use the Messenger application, then I will suggest you to use the Facebook Lite, because Facebook Lite has the features of sending messages and receiving messages, and you don't even need to open and install the Messenger application for that. There are some few extra features on Messenger that will help you very easy, that will make you very easy and comfortable. But yes, if it comes for voice messages, photos, and just sending messages, then you can simply use the Facebook Lite for that, but you cannot call from Facebook Lite. The other option is to go on the Google Chrome, and on the top search bar you can simply search for Facebook right there, and you can open and log into your Facebook account, and you can simply chat on your Facebook by logging into your browser as well. You can also go on the Facebook app. You can also messages directly from there if you don't have app, but to call or video call or audio call, you must need to install your Messenger applications. Otherwise it will work from your browser, Facebook Lite, or even from the Facebook app itself. Do try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.